Hi, I'm Jill. I'm a CSU-trained Master Gardener with Jefferson County.
We're going to show you how to install a NUC. NUC is short for nucleus, and a NUC is a miniature beehive. It contains 5 frames of bees, brood, a laying queen, and food stores. When you get your NUC home, install it right away. Bees left in their NUCs too long risk swarming. The cool of the morning, ideally with a temperature about 55 degrees, will keep bees calm on their frames. You can light a smoker and give the NUC a few puffs of smoke to help calm the bees down if you want to. The NUC we'll be working with is extremely active because we're installing it late in the morning, and it's getting too warm for the bees inside the NUC box, so they're ready to get out. Our plan is just to move them quickly and let them settle into their new home. Set your NUC on the ground beside your hive. The center 5 frames have been removed from the hive box. You can see on the left. Open the NUC and start with an outside frame. Jim is gently removing 1 frame with his hive tool and to be transferred to the hive box. Remember, the queen is roaming free inside the NUC, and she's probably near the center frames, so be careful not to crush or roll any bees. Now remove the 2nd frame from the NUC. Keep it oriented in the same direction it was inside the NUC, and then place it in the hive box beside the 1st frame, like Jim's doing, and continue with the next 3 frames. The seasoned beekeeper you see working is Jim Rowling. Jim's a Jefferson County Master Gardener, and he's been beekeeping for 8 years. Close up the top of the hive. Keep a bottom board in place. This will help your new hive stay warm until evening temperatures are about 55 degrees. And you'll also reduce the entrance like Jim has here on the left. And the other bees will enter the hive on their own once they settle down. Feed your bees until flowers provide abundant pollen and nectar. Pollen patties provide protein for brood development, and sugar water increases wax production. In about 3 days, you can check on your queen to see if she survived the transfer and is laying eggs. These bee eggs are 1 to 3 days old. These bee larvae are about 4 to 7 days old. Good luck with your hive installation, and hope to see you in the apiary and the garden.